This is from 2000. The system is in crisis relative to the year 2000, but this is showing that the tropical forest could absorb more like 7 tons per acre per year. A rooftop solar system, when you account for its lifetime carbon footprint, absorbs around 1 ton, maybe 2 tons per year. So tropical forests on a per acre basis are as effective as our good rooftop solar technology, but they're also, as you've seen, just fundamental part of the global climate system. They are the living biological core of the system. So if we restore them, stop destroying them at this phenomenal negative rate, we immediately address global warming, extreme weather, biodiversity loss, the extinction crisis, and degradation and loss of life support systems in the most effective way, all those things. And again, it empowers indigenous communities. Here's some relative totals on the amount of emissions value we get from tropical forests. So forget all those life support system values and just think of them as a way to quit smoking. They are emitting about as much greenhouse gas on an annual basis as the EU. And if we stop burning them up, we say emitting, but it's because we're setting them on fire because it's a cheap way to clear land. If we stop doing that, we reduce greenhouse gas emissions in the range of 25 to 30% just by not burning up our most productive biological resources on the planet. So 25 to 30% reduction total in global greenhouse gas emissions as compared to a net of about 8 to 18, depending on the year now. It'd be more effective at reducing emissions than taking the entire, taking the entire United States economy offline, or making it carbon neutral rather, not taking it offline, taking its emissions offline. If we restore the system, we should see about a 50% reduction in global greenhouse emissions relative to 2010 on an annual basis. This is all in the paper, The Systemic Climate Solution. So this slide is in the newest attachment, and I won't go through it, but I recommend taking a screenshot or looking at the XLS, whatever it is, the spreadsheet attachment, because this slide really sums up most of what you've seen here in just bullet points. And so our number one biospheric priority is to, protect the most beneficial ecosystems to the climate, to protect the most biodiversity on Earth, to protect the most productive ecosystems on Earth. So protecting, restoring, and reconnecting those systems. This is just part one of our discussion here on a global response. And you can donate now at biointegrity.net/donate.